Assalamu alaikum, dear friend. I am your math teacher. My name is Sakib Wasi, and my YouTube channel name is Math Sarkar. Okay, we have a question. Last time we have discussed about quadratic equations. We have to solve its quadratic graphs, and now we have a question is related to the quadratic graph. Okay. Um, how to deal this question? We know that x square plus x minus 12 greater than 0. We will first of all convert it into this form: x square x minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, and we will make its midterm break. How we make its midterm break? X square 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Why? It's the reason is that because if you multiply by x square minus 12, it will be minus 12x square, and the mid number is you have a x. So you take two numbers which we multiply, you get the result is minus 12x square. If you add these number or subtract, the answer will be x. Okay, these are our suitable numbers. We now take common x plus 4 minus 3 here common, x plus 4 equal to 0. Now x plus 4 is common in one side, x minus 3 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 4 and x equal to 3. We got two result. Now we will make to its graph how we deal its inequality. This is the graph. I think so that this is our graph. Now what's over the point? The point is one is 3 x-axis, and second point is minus 4. We make here the graph, and this graph will be, because its first value is, look, this value is positive, x square coefficient is positive, so our graph will be u shape. So we have to start it. It will be going down and going up. That's our graph. Okay. Now after making this graph, we have to know to deal this inequality x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means y greater than 0. If y greater than 0, if you look to the graph, y is in this way. Here y is here. This is our y is positive here, and also y is also positive here. In these 2 points y is positive, so at here we will go right side. The in right side the x is greater. In which term is this is 3, x greater than 3, and here x is less than minus 4, so you write it x less than minus 4. You got true answer, x greater than 3 or x less than minus 4. This is your required answer. Now we will go to the next question, how to solve this next question. Next question we have 5x square 9x plus 4 greater than 0. Okay, 5x square plus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. We have to y greater than 0. Okay, 5x square, we have to make its midterm break. I think its midterm break is very easy. 5x plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we make 5x is common, x plus 1 plus 4 is common, x plus 1 in other side. Just zoom it. Here x plus 1 is common, 5x plus 4 is our x equal to minus 1, and 5x equal to minus 4, and x equal to minus 4 by 5. We have these two x-axis answer. Okay, after doing this x-axis answer, we will draw the graph. This is our graph, and we also know that this is positive value coefficient of x square, so graph will be u shape. Now this is our x equal to minus 1. These 2 points are positive. This is make here minus 1, and here is, if we convert it minus 4 by 5, it will be minus 0.8. Okay, we have to make the graph in this way, here, and this is our graph. Then we have to solve previous part. Its its answer is this way, here and here. If we draw here at right side, the answer is x greater than minus 0.8, and if we going downward, the x is less than minus 1. So these two answers we have. Okay, that's our complete second question. Now we will go to our next. Nature of the roots is a very important topic. What is the nature of the roots? Okay, the roots. First of all, what is the roots which satisfy the equation? We have some roots properties and its nature. First, we have to discuss about the nature of the roots. Okay, nature of the roots is, first is our first property is this look like this one and this one. The graph is intersected by 2 points x1 and x2. So we say that the roots are real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. Number two, I have to write it. Number two, at here, roots at this case, this is intersect by 1 point. So we say that there is x1. So the roots are real and equal. The words are very important. These words are vocabulary of this mathematical term is very important. Roots, first one is real and distinct, second one is real and equal. Now third one. At third one, here, the roots are not intersected by. So we say that no real roots. We say that no real roots, and also we say that's no real solution. Okay, um now what is the these all things by discussed by the term is name is discriminant. I have to zoom it. This is a discriminant, and in the quadratic equation, this part is which I highlighted, this part is called discriminant. I write it. This part name is discriminant. We are math person and spelling are not important for us. Okay, discriminant. I have to write it correct. Okay, now here x square plus 2x minus 8. It's this one is our first question. Look here, this question. I have to write it here. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 8. Make we have right here quadratic equation minus b plus minus quadratic formula b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is we write it minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 8. So 2a is 1. So we got the answer is minus 2 plus minus, here is 4 plus 8 for 32 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus minus, this is 36. I have it write it into, this is 36. This is roots. So this is what discriminant, and 2. So this discriminant is our positive number. Okay, so our the answer will be real and distinct. Look here how we prove that. Minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2, x equal to minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2. We got the answer. I have right to here. X is, from this answer will be, x is minus 2 plus 6, it will be 4 by 2, and answer is 2. Now second one is I have to write it here. X minus 8 by 2, x equal to minus 4. We got second answer. So look it, if this discriminant is positive or greater than 0, so roots will be real and distinct. Okay, this is our first case. I have to write it here. Second one is um, x square minus 6x minus 9. We have, first of all we write it, its value is a equal to 1, b equal to c, and c equal to minus 9. The minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x equal to minus b minus 6 plus minus 6 square, it will be 36. 4a is 1, and c is minus 9. We write it 2 into a. What is the a? A is, I think I just zoom it. A is, we have a 1. Okay, so we get, if we solve this one, minus 6 plus minus, the answer here is look, 36 and 4 9 36, it will be 0. So there is 2, the answer will be, so there is 0. What is the mean? Its mean your discriminant is 0. So if your discriminant is 0, we got here, this answer will be here. I write it here. So x equal to minus 3 and minus 3. We got this same. How we I have to write it. Okay, I will solve it by for you. It's mean x equal to minus 6 by 2, one time positive 0, and x equal to minus 6 by 2, one time is negative. So here is minus 3 and here is also minus 3. We got these two answers. Okay. Yes, students, we have a next question. The question is x square plus 2x plus 5 minus 6. Sorry, it is plus 6. Yes, this is plus 6. Okay. Okay, Sam, we have to put a equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x is 2, and constant is 6. Okay, now we have to put over all these value in equation. Minus 2 plus minus 2 square, minus 4a is 1, and c is value is 6. Here 2a is 1. Just only putting all these, all value of quadratic equations. X equal to minus 2 plus minus, this will be 4 minus 24, 4 6 24, it will be 2. Here x equal to minus 2 plus minus, it's minus 20 equal to 2. So this is our key part. No, the discriminant is negative, so there is no solution possible. If you more solve it, there is no solution possible. So we write it here. It's a imaginary number, plus minus 20 and 20 minus 1. So no solution possible. We write it, no solution possible. Okay. Okay, the short summary about all these questions is very significant. Discriminant discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac, and there is several cases of the discriminant. First one is you have a b square minus 4ac. If is greater than 0, its mean roots are real and I have to and distinct. And now second case is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So roots are real and equal. Number 3, you have a third one is, what is the third one? B square minus 4ac less than 0. It's mean no real roots. And fourth case, I have to write it out. I have write it here. Fourth case, this is first case. Fourth case is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Its mean roots are real roots. So four cases we have discussed. We have to solve all these type of the questions. Oh, so going, we will solve next questions is related to the question is that find the discriminant. Nant. Okay, find the discriminant. Okay, the question is relate is about we have first question is x square plus 5x minus 36. Check that what's the answer of this question. If we put a equal to 1, use another color, a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 36, x equal to minus b minus, just rewrite it, the discriminant b square minus 4ac. We need just only write the discriminant. If any person asks you, you find only discriminant, so you need b square minus 4ac. b is 5 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 36. So 25 minus minus it will be plus. 36 multiplied by 4, I have to check that, 4 6 24, 2, 4, 3, 12, and 144. 144 and 169. So it's mean the answer is greater than 0. We have studied about b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, so roots are real and distinct. Okay, we have studied about more cases. Dear students, this is our question is about x square 9x plus 2. A is 1, b is 9. So discriminant is, we just noted d, b square minus 4ac, and b is 9 square minus 4, 1 and 2. 81 minus 8, the answer will be, I think 81 minus 8, it will be 73. So which is greater than 0? This answer is also real and distinct. Okay, we have more question is related about this is the practice question. The practice question is 3x square plus 10x minus 2 equal to 0. Next question is 4x square minus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. This is practice question. This question. Okay, now we have to go next. Has two equal roots. Okay, the solution is, so what is the mean? Two equal roots. This is so important line. Two equal roots. It's mean b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The discriminant property if the roots are equal. So we write it this property. Now here is a is we have 1 because this is x square. Okay, and b is k and c is 9. So b square is k square minus 4a is 1 and c is 9 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, this one is x square minus kx b square minus 4ac. Okay. So k square minus 36 equal to 0. K square equal to 36 and k is plus minus 6. So our one answer is 6 and second answer is minus 6. We have used another property of this question. Now further we have more question. Is another question is related to the question is that find the value of k which x square plus k minus 2 x plus 4 equal to 0 has two distinct distinct roots. Okay, what is the meaning of the distinct root? We have clarity now about 4a square b square minus 4ac greater than 0. We have a clarity about distinct root. Okay, now our solution is start from x square plus k minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Here property is b. What is the b? B I have to write x minus 2, a is 1 and c is 4. So the value is k minus 2 square 4a 1 c is 4 greater than 0. So x square plus 4 minus 2 into 2k, this is identity come from here. Okay, now minus 16 greater than 0. So how we deal this one? K square minus 4k plus 4 minus 16 greater than 0. K square minus 4k minus 12 greater than 0. So or if we making its midterm break, so our answer is k square. Two answer is minus 6k plus 2k minus 12 greater than 0. So here k is common, k minus 6 plus 2 is common, k minus 6 greater than 0. So k plus 2 and k minus 6 greater than 0. Okay, we got this one. Now so already we have a very important role about when we discuss about these conditions. It's mean y is greater than 0. It's mean so over x, k equal to minus 2 and k equal to 6. K is minus 2 and 6. Sorry, this is 6 1. So minus 2 is here and 6 is here. So the graph is going to this direction, and here x is greater y greater than 0, y greater than 0 is here, and y greater than 0 is there. So there is a k. So k is greater this way and k is smaller this way, because it's going left side and other side it is going right side. If the going to right side, so k greater than 6 x k is going left side, so k less than -2. We got these two answers our required.